Hello students, we are doing revision work. In this video, we will do practice of case-based questions which are included by CBSE in 2020-21 session. यहाँ हम 7 questions discuss करेंगे. Every question will have 5 parts and you have to attempt any 4 out of these 5 parts. Clear? This is the first question. This question is on classification. Now read the paragraph. Classification कोई single step process नहीं है. It involves hierarchy of steps, जिसमें हर step एक rank और category को represent करता है. Each category, a unit of classification, represent a taxon. Taxonomical studies led to development of certain common categories. Now, answer first part of the question. The correct sequence of categories in a hierarchy is, it is species, then genus, then family, order, then class, then phylum, and in the end it is kingdom. So the correct choice is C, mark C. Part 2 of the question. The family that includes lion, tiger and leopard, all belonging to the genus Panthera. The name of the family is Felidae. Third part of the question. The order that includes the plant families Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae. The name of the order is Polymoniales. Fourth part of the question. Which category has highest number of common characters? Species, genus or kingdom? It is kingdom which has highest number of common characters. Fifth part of the question. Primates are placed in class. Primates are placed in class mammals. Question 2. Two diagrams A and B हैं, which are showing the arrangement of germ layers. Now see the first part of the question. In the given diagrams, A, B, C and D are: A is ectoderm, B is endoderm, C is mesoglea and D is mesoderm. So the correct answer is B, mark B. Second part of the question. Which technical term is given to animals with pattern A? The technical term is given to animals with pattern A having 2 germ layers is diploblastic. Third part of the question. Which technical term is given to animals with pattern B? The technical term is given to animals with pattern B having 3 germ layers is triploblastic. Fourth part of the question. Name a phylum in which animals have the pattern A. In coelentrates, we find pattern A. They are diploblastic. Fifth part of the question. Which animal has pattern B? Plurobranchia, Cycon or Ascaris? It is Ascaris which has pattern B. Ascaris is triploblastic. Question 3. See the diagram and answer the questions. First part of the question देखिए. Identify the structure given. The given structure is nidoblast. Second part of the question. Name the phylum to which it belongs. It belongs to phylum Cnidaria or Coelentrata. Third part of the question. Where is it generally present in the body of the animals? It is present in the tentacles. Fourth part of the question. Name the cell it contains. The cell it contains is nematocyte. Fifth part of the question. Mention its one function. It helps in anchorage, capture of prey or food, and it helps in defense. So you can write any one out of these 3 functions. Question 4. 2 members of a class of algae are shown here and now you have to answer these questions. First part of the question देखिए. Identify the 2 algae A and B. A is fucus and B is dictyota. Second part of the question, name the class to which they belong. They belong to class Phaeophyceae. Third part of the question, name the pigment which gives the characteristic color. It is fucoxanthin pigment which gives the characteristic color to these algae. Fourth part of the question, mention the characteristic shape of gametes they have. The gametes are pyriform, or you can say they are pear-shaped in these algae. Fifth part of the question, what type of flagella these gametes have? These gametes have two unequal flagella which are laterally attached. क्वेश्चन 5, यहाँ डायग्राम में लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू की डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन दी गई है एंड नाउ आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू. इट इज एरियोलर टिश्यू. सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, द थ्री सेल्स A, B and C are. A is a macrophage, B is a fibroblast and C is mast cell. So correct choice is C, mark C. Third part of the question, this tissue is present dash. This tissue is present beneath the skin. Fourth part of the question, the two types of fibers secreted by cells are collagen and elastin fibers are secreted by cells. Fifth part of the question, which type of connective tissues are they? They are loose connective tissues. So correct choice is B, mark B. Question 6. The picture given shows three different mammals, A, B and C. Now answer these questions. First part of the question, the names of three animals A, B and C are. A is Ornithorhynchus, B is Macropus and C is Pteropus. So correct choice is B, mark B. Second part of the question, which one is the egg-laying mammal? It is Ornithorhynchus who lays eggs और इसका common name है Platypus. Third part of the question, the characteristic features of B is, it is viviparous, yes. It is a pouch mammal, yes. It is a homeothermous, yes. So all these three characters are present in Macropus. So correct answer is D. All of these, mark D. Fourth part of the question, the most unique mammalian characteristic is, it is presence of mammary gland. It is the most important character of all mammals. Fifth part of the question, mammalian heart has dash chambers. Mammalian heart has 4 chambers. Question 7. Bacteria of different shapes A, B, C and D are shown in the picture and now answer these questions. First part of the question, the names of 4 groups of bacteria A, B, C and D are. A is cocci, B is bacilli, C is spirilla and D is vibrio. So correct choice is A, mark A. Second part of the question, bacteria belongs to kingdom Monera or Protista. Bacteria belongs to kingdom Monera. So correct choice is A, mark A. Third part of the question, nitrogen fixing bacteria is Lactobacillus or Nostoc. Nitrogen fixing bacteria is Nostoc. So correct choice is B, mark B. Fourth part of the question, one disease caused by bacteria in plants. It is citrus canker caused by bacteria in plants. Fifth part of the question, bacteria found in gut of cows and buffaloes. Methanogens are found in gut of cows and buffaloes. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.